Welcome everyone in the Scrumble Network SKM community. I'm really excited to introduce our special guest who's flown all the way from China to Toronto to come visit us. This is Richard Wang. He is a partner of the prestigious Draper Dragon Investment Fund and a big supporter of Scrumble Network. First of all, I want to say Happy New Year to you and to all of our community members. So, 新年快乐，猪年好。
大家新年快乐！我是 Richard, come from China. Yes, it's my honor to visit Scrumble headquarters here. Like to learn their update and also have some discussion with Eric about the futures and trend.
Yeah, that's great. So I'll give you a quick update. So Scrumble Network has some really exciting stuff happening over the next few weeks. Early February, in the next week or so, we should be seeing a really big update, beta version 2.0 for Ally. For this, we're going to see fully decentralized messaging, file storage, in-app crypto payments, premium groups and channels. So any influencer or any core person can create their own group and be able to charge SKM tokens. As part of the in-app crypto transfer, it's very similar to WeChat. So, as it's Chinese New Year, you can give a hongbao or things like that. We also have a special sticker collection that just came out, which is in honor of the pig year, the New Year, Junian Hao. And so you can see that also in Ally. So very exciting stuff. We're also progressing very well towards our mainnet. Our goal is to have our mainnet finished by end of March. So we're really excited about where it's going and a lot of great stuff happening for Scrumble Network. So that's a bit of a quick update. What I want to ask Richard, though, is I want to ask you, what do you think blockchain can disrupt the over $3 trillion communication industry?
Yeah, Eric just mentioned about the IM, right? We do see a lot of centralized IM just happening last year as well, and most of them also declare they are using the blockchain technology, but we think, I guess, the Ally would be the number one in this area. And talking about the communication, actually, blockchain as a protocol, it's built on the communication itself. If you look at the protocol itself, it's some kind of one kind of communication. But the blockchain can also several advantages of blockchain is that it can be decentralized, and it can provide a better privacy and the security features. So I think the IM or any communication protocol built on blockchain would bring a lot of advantages and also new business model to all the users.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yes, and we keep hearing privacy and security as a core concern. I'm sure we've all heard of the over 86 million accounts on Facebook that were compromised. We hear about over 70 million accounts on Telegram being compromised and all the data going everywhere. We're also hearing, for example, on WeChat, there's active censorship of information and certain topics. So, really there's a need for a place where people can communicate freely and openly and talk about whatever they want and make sure that their data is really theirs and secure. And that's really what SKM Scrumble Network is about. So I guess the last question, Richard, is, we've seen a lot of ups and downs in the crypto market, between 2017, early 2018, and then relatively negative late 2018. Now it's a fresh new year, 2019, a new Chinese New Year, the pig year, Junian Hao. And yes. What do you think about the market? Like, where do you see it going? Like for utility tokens?
Yes, as the traditional venture capital, we pay a lot of effort on the blockchain area and invest a lot in blockchain equity company and also digital assets. And in 2018, actually, we invested quite a few public chain company, and we do see at this moment those public chain companies need to build up their ecosystem, and to make sure their features, their function are able to allow them their application adapt on. So what we see in 2019, we'll see a lot more applications based on those blockchain, and only those applications can be utilized, can be fertilized in the community, then the blockchain company can understand what could be improved or what would be necessary, the necessary features in the future. So we will see, to be honest, we will see a lot more opportunity on application side on 2019. That would be one thing we are pay our efforts on. And the other point that we are focused would be the ST. So we do see utility things is not going to happen anymore. So and the securitized token are able to guarantee the security, guarantee the assets, and also comply the regulation. So it would be bring the more market for this day. So we would see the ST or say XT. I mean XT means for those token, all the token can bring all the different function or properties, and security is one of the property. Although we are able to give the more meanings or function on the security as we define, but anyhow, what I'm trying to say, the token itself would bring more function and property in the future. From that angle, we will see more application or more token will be able to bring up more business model. That's what we like to see. And ST will be definitely a model that will be more rich in the 2019.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so many great innovations and many great trends that are happening right now. And a huge year coming up for Scramble Network. So I want to thank again Richard for coming to Toronto to visit with us. And I want to thank all of you guys for checking in. And it's going to be a very big year, 2019, for Scramble Network and for crypto and for blockchain. So thank you all so much. Thanks, Richard.
Thank you. 谢谢大家。